What's up, vacationers? So we're currently in the Philadelphia area, exactly King of Prussia, and I recently discovered the location of where we're going. Check it out. There are two locations of Netflix House. There's this one, and then there's one in Dallas. At the time of this video's recording, this one is still fairly new. This one opened in November 2025, and then the one in Dallas opened December 2025. They also have one planned to open in Las Vegas. At the time of this video's recording, the one in Las Vegas is planned to open in 2027. This one, the two main events are Wednesday and One Piece. The one in Dallas has Stranger Things and Squid Games. But this one is closer to me. Eventually I'll get to Dallas. But I definitely am happy that this one has a Wednesday immersive experience, which I'm really excited about. But we're gonna go ahead and do this one in Philadelphia. So let's go do this.
him until I find him and bring him home. I am going to bring him home!
Flo, we've discussed this. Mornings are for coffee and contemplation. Coffee and contemplation.
Alright, y'all, we have a Hellfire Club. Right on my reach.
Our friend is she's crazy!
one night. An interesting way to waste your time.
Hey, you have your little true crime obsession.
Ongoing investigation.
Whatever. And it's not just any night. It's Eve of the Outcasts, Nevermore's biggest festival of the year. Everyone's gonna be there, including you, Wednesday.
I'd rather lose an appendage. Maybe even a good one.
Oh, come on. It'll be fun. That reminds me. Have you seen Thing lately? I put him in charge of the finger foods. Also, I need to check in with Bianca. She's supposed to help me with the music, but now she's being all mysterious about her playlist. Eugene and Pugsley said they got the lighting covered, and Yoko, did you know that she's setting up a drink station? She mentioned something about leg-friendly punch. Should I be worried? This is going to be amazing. Or a total disaster. Oh, and you remembered to send out the invitations to all of my followers, right?
I finally put my extensive collection of blackmail to use. They all said yes.
Great! Everything's going according to... Wait! Oh no! I totally forgot the full moon was tonight! That means... this timing could seriously not be worse.
Enid, stay calm. You're wolfing out. Try to control it.
I can't this time! Wednesday, quick! Can you take over even the Outcasts?
I'm busy solving a potential murder, not playing a friendless part.
Wednesday, please!
Fine. Don't want to be burdened with this responsibility. Then we're going to do things my way. And this conspiracy I told you Nevermore just became a guerrilla project. Unfortunately. But on such short notice, I'll need a hand. Not so fast, May. Let's make Eve of the Outcast a night they'll never forget. Ready? Then let's get started.
Oh my god. Yes. It's happening. Following me? I think this thing's rotating with me. What? Oh my God, it's rotating with me. Keep following me. Turn this way. Turn this way. Yep, there you go. Over here. Oh, this is fun. Now look this way. Over here, buddy. Yes. Oh my gosh. You're fun for shot on vacation.
If I go, there will be trouble. And if I stay, there will be trouble. So, come on and let me know. Should I stay or should I go?